Fried chicken is ready. I'm just gonna put this on a plate and let you see what it looks like on a plate. So my Jamaican French fried chicken is ready. As you guys would say, fried chicken is ready, guys. Ready to be tasted. I'll be the only one tasting this, but enjoy the recipe, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with your girl Fluffy K. And today I have a new excited video for you guys to watch. Today I'm going to be making fried chicken. As we know it, French fried chicken. So today I'm going to show you all the steps I make when I'm making my Jamaican French fried chicken. So stay with me. Let me show you all the steps I take in making this delicious thing. I have my wet seasoning. And this is onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, pimento seed, and in a little vinegar. Just some blended seasoning. And I have some all-purpose chicken and Maggi seasoning here. And this is some special jerk and some chicken seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning. Just a little of each. And this is some little coloring seasoning. It's some chicken seasoning, but it has a bright orangey looking to it. If you don't have that, it's optional. You don't have to add it. Just put whatever season you have at home. And this is my chicken. And what I have done, I have cleaned my chicken. I haven't taken off all the skins, but I have taken off the majority. And all I'm going to do is wash my chicken in some vinegar. So I've added the vinegar and I'm just washing my chicken. And I'm going to show you all the steps. So I've cut my chicken in joints. I've jointed them. You know, because you don't mince your chicken when you're frying it. So I'm just washing here. Just washing my chicken. Make sure you wash your chicken, guys. Very important to wash your meat. So I'm going to show you all the steps I do in making French fried chicken. Well-known Jamaican meal. So now I have finished washing my chicken and draining all the excess water off my chicken. And this is just the chicken in my pan. And I'm going to pour all my seasoning on. And this is the blended seasoning. It's good because if you're not going to marinate your chicken overnight, it's good to blend the seasoning so you know it will soak better in your meat. And this is my Maggi seasoning. This is my chicken and my special jerk and my all-purpose seasoning. Salt is optional, guys. Sometimes I don't put salt on my meat because these seasoning that they're making has so much salt. You have to be very careful when you're putting salt on your meat because the seasonings already have somewhat amount of salt. So I'm just putting a little of this to give it a little pretty color. And what I'm gonna do now, I have my gloves on and I'm just making sure that all the seasoning and everything is carefully blend out on my chicken. Okay guys, my chicken has been marinated 4.5 hours, and all I am going to be doing, I'll be using some all-purpose flour. I have put the all-purpose flour in a Ziploc bag. I like to do it this way. And I've added a little baking powder to the flour and a little of that same orangey looking seasoning to the flour. So all I'm going to do is drop these chicken in this bag and put them to the oil. But as I do that, I will show you everything I'm about to do. My oil is popping, guys. So I have a small cut pepper. It's very hot, and some garlic that I'm adding to my oil. And I'm gonna let that fry. And when my oil becomes more hot, I'm gonna dip my chicken in the flour and I'm gonna place them in the oil, and I'm gonna turn my flames down, and I'm gonna cover my pot and let my chicken cook properly, fry, whatever you want to call it, same thing. So just stay with me, let me show you it step by step. Guys, my chicken is ready. I just placed the chicken in the Ziploc bag with my flour, and you know, some people put egg, but today I'm not going to use any egg. I don't really love it with it though, but next time I'll show you another video using the egg. But this is just the chicken in the flour, and I'm just going to place it in the oil. All I'm doing is just placing the chicken in the oil. Guys, when your chicken start cooking, you want to turn your flames down. You want to lower your flame. So yes, this is my chicken in the oil, and this is what it looks like. But I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you everything as I go along. I'm going in and I'm going to turn my chicken on the opposite side so you can see, yeah, you can see what your chicken is going to look like. So you see that? You see the color they have? So that's the color you want your chicken to have. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So all you have to do is lower your flames and just cover your pot and let your chicken cook, because you know you want inside to be well cooked. So when you cover it and the steam and it low, you don't turn up your fire too high, because if you turn it up, the outside of the chicken is going to cook and the inside is going to be raw. So make sure you turn your flames down and you cover your pot, and that's how you're going to get your chicken to be cooked. Fried chicken is ready. I'm just going to put this on a plate and let you see what it looks like on a plate. So my Jamaican French fried chicken is ready. As you guys would say, fried chicken is ready, guys. Ready to be tasted. I'll be the only one tasting this, but enjoy the recipe, guys. Finished fried chicken, guys. And I'm serving my fried chicken with some bread. See? The good stuff. I don't know how much you know about those style. So that's just some ketchup and barbecue sauce I've mixed there. But this is my finishing French fried chicken, and it's ready to be eaten, guys. And it tastes delicious. Please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's In the Kitchen with Fluffy K. Like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think about my fried chicken, guys. How does it look? It looks good, right?